guys, and welcome. As a part of our Christmas series, today we're going to be making a grapevine wreath, and we're going to be making our own fluffy bow to go with it. It's really simple, so stay with me. I will go through the steps, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for future home and garden topics. Let's go! So you will need to get a 16-inch grapevine wreath from your favorite hobby store. You'll also need to get some florals, and these are from the dollar store, but of course you can get them wherever they are available to you. You will need to get your floral wire, also available at the same store. This is optional, it's gift trim, which you can add on as an accent at the end. And this is the ribbon that we're going to be using. Of course, there are many different types. It's just a matter of what you prefer. You will need to have these shears because you'll need them to cut your floral wire, and scissors that we'll use to cut the ribbon and the trim as needed. So you'll see here that this is how it started, but what I did was to use the shears and trim them off down to this size, so that way they're easy to work with and we can stick them in. So I'm just going to start sticking them in one at a time. And you know, there are different spots, as you can see, all over the grapevine wreath where you can fit them in. And if you put it somewhere you don't like how it looks, you can always take it out and put it somewhere else. So I think we have that one there. This one's a little long. I may need to cut a little piece off. And then we stick that one in here. And we're just going to keep working our way around. And we have another one. We stick one up top here. We can have a slightly tapered look at the top. And fold it under here. Stick another one here. And be a little careful with these because they're now using styrofoam to make them, so they're not as strong as they used to be in previous years. And I'm going to start going in this direction because this is where I'm going to be putting the ribbon. We start making our way around here. There's another one. And we're just going to keep going around. Let's stick this one here. Come back on this side. Get one over here. So far it's coming along. And you can always just take a look as you go to see how it's going. We have that one there. So what we're going to do next is we're going to make the bow for it. So I'm going to unravel the ribbon. And this is going to be dependent on how fluffy you want the bow. So first you hold it like this, and then you fold it over, sort of like a loop. And then you're going to pinch it right here. And then we're going to start folding on each side. So you fold here. And try to make it match as much as you can. We're going to do another one here. Another one here, and another one here. That's how it's looking so far. Always make sure that you keep that space in there. And then we're going to get the floral wire. wire in here. And then you tie it at the back as securely as you can. So far that's what it's looking like, and then you're gonna get this and you're gonna tie it on to here. And then you go behind and you try to twine it back here. But of course, always make sure that you're checking the top, that it's still in place. So we have secured that in place, and now we're going to fluff the bow out, like so. So here is the finished product, and I do wish you all the very best in making your grapevine wreath. I hope you'll join me in the other videos in my Christmas series. Thank you so much for watching, and all the very best to you and your family and friends.